Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel HowTo. Did you know that the internet world's new craze has its origin in South Korea? And just like that, it became an overnight sensation. Yes, I'm talking about the Dalgona coffee. Today we're going to show you how to make the Dalgona coffee and also give you a live, honest feedback of it. Come on, let's jump into it. The ingredients are instant coffee powder 1 teaspoon, white sugar 1 teaspoon, hot water 1 to 2 teaspoon and boiled and chilled milk 1 cup. All you need is a bowl, a spoon and a whisker. After whisking like this for 15 to 20 minutes, you will get a creamy texture like this. Now, you can add some ice if you want. Yes. Now, hold the jar and your Dalgona coffee is going to get ready in a few seconds. It is not as expected as in the blogs show. Your Dalgona coffee is ready now. Now I'm going to taste the Dalgona coffee I just made. I'm so very curious and excited. But as you can see, the cream has just got mixed with the milk below. Let us see how it tastes. Honestly, this coffee cream tastes very bitter and definitely I would prefer the normal coffee over this any day. And trust me, this is what most of them who tried said this. Thanks for watching this video and stay home, stay safe. Let us know your feedback in the comment section and do not forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.